guys, so the first step is I'm just taking my foundation. This is like around 3 shades darker than me. Okay, maybe I'm being over dramatic, but 2 shades darker than me. And it has more of a red undertone. And the reason I chose to do that is because Roxanne's character, they chose like a reddish color to make her. She's obviously a cartoon, so that's why I went with more of a warm undertone foundation instead of a cool tone darker foundation. So if the video is really saturated, that's just because I'm trying to match the color of the character as much as possible. So I'm just placing this all over my face and down my neck just to give myself a more tan appearance. Thankfully, I already have her hair color, so I didn't need to worry about that. Well, I mean, it's not identical, but it's still red. So now I'm just taking a powder just to set that all in place. Once I'm done placing this powder all over my face, I'm just going to move on to bronzer because like I said, she is tanner than me, so I just need to make sure that I match the color as best as I can. And I'm just taking this fake tan bronzer, it's only fitting. And I am placing this on my cheekbones and on my forehead, and I did a little down my neck, but I'm not sure if I put that in the video. So I'm just making sure that I'm all bronzy. You can skip this step if you already have a nice tan, but I don't. So I'm just making sure that I tan as much as I can. So then, yes, I do place it on my neck. On the décolleté, you don't need to do this. Like I said, this is optional, especially if you've got a tan going on. So then I'm taking this color called Real Gar from the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette just to make my eyebrows really red and stand out, because her hair is very copper red, kind of like the one I have right now. So I'm just making sure I do that. Then I'm taking this Too Faced palette and taking this shimmery color right here. And I'm going to place this in the inner corners. Now I just kind of made up this eye look because she clearly doesn't have eyeshadow on because she's a dog. So just go with what you want. I just felt like I didn't want to just put a nose on, so I had to make sure that I had to create some type of look. So I just created this really easy natural brown makeup look. So then I'm taking this goldish shimmery shadow and then also this brown shimmer shadow and placing it in the outer corner. Like I said, very simple, very natural, easy to achieve. This is what I liked to do in high school, so that's just what I'm going off of. Yes, a bit dramatic for high school, but like I said, this is Disney and a cartoon. So then I'm taking this color right here and I'm blending out my eyeshadow with it. I just wanted to make sure I did that so it didn't look all weird. You can choose to do whatever you want with the eyes. If you guys just wanted the tutorial just to see how I did the nose, then go ahead. But this is what I chose to do with the eyes. If you're cosplaying, then you might want to consider what you would want to do with the eye makeup. You could just put mascara on. It really doesn't matter. Everyone has their own ways. So then I'm taking this chocolatey color right here. I'm placing this on my lower lash line. There's really no explanation for that. I just felt like it was really empty. And then I'm taking a brown liner and I'm lining my outer line. And then I'm going to line the upper lash line as well. And then I'm going to take my blending brush and blend that out because I just kind of sloppily placed that on there. I just wanted to make sure there was dimension to the eyes. So I just am doing that. Now I'm adding her mole. It looks kind of funny because I already have my own mole, but I tried putting as much foundation on it, but that girl won't cover. So I added her mole. And now we're moving on to mascara. So I'm just going to curl my lashes. No falsies for today. This is supposed to be simple and everyday. Easy to achieve, whether you're wearing this to a Halloween party or any type of party. No Halloween so far in advance. Or just you like to cosplay characters. Kind of like me. I love doing Disney cosplay. So that's obviously why I'm doing it. So time for the nose. I just took my brown eyeliner from Jordana, just carving out my shape right here, making it a cute little dog nose, almost like a kind of like a teddy bear nose. It's not as hard as you think. You just have to make sure that you get that nice line, and it doesn't have to be super even either. I think as long as people see that you just have a nose on, they'll get what you're trying to do. To make it faster, I like to spread it out. You can use brown paint, face paint. makeup, that would be great too. And then I'm just placing some brown eyeshadow on it so it can match easier. And then there's your dog nose. So then I'm taking Dolce K and then a little bit of ginger. So I'm lining my lips with Dolce K lipstick from Kylie Cosmetics. This movie looks like it's more old school, like 90s-ish. And so that's why I wanted to go with like a brown lip. So now I'm just going in with Dolce K liquid lip, and then I'll be adding a little bit of Kylie Cosmetics ginger to get that perfect 90s brown lip. And that's just what I chose to go for because she didn't really have lips or anything. So, alright you guys, this is my Disney Roxanne look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next Disney look. Bye!